have that China smell. No lie. I did not go wash it. Just added the water. It did shed a little bit when I passed my hair through it as well. It could very well be because I cut the air tabs off, because the air tabs were too long. I'm also going to put some Bristol's Curls and Waves mousse, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to see how it sets up when it dry. This is just my initial review of this wig, and I'm going to come back in about a week time, but that week time will be after Vlogmas, to give my final thoughts on the wig. Again, if you have been rocking with me for a while, you know that I put all wigs that I have through the ringer before I give my final thoughts. But so far so good. I like it. Okay guys, bye.